Hey guys, thanks for watching. I want to give you a quick overview and a quick process video on my day in the life documentation from this year. I went super simple and super easy. It wasn't a spectacular day, so there weren't all that many pictures. I printed a collage of all the pictures on the print on straight from my phone on the, let me check, print a size app. Just printed it out on US letter cardstock because I still had that, and then I left two spots on the collage that I'm going to cut out now. And as a background paper, I was looking for something. I'm using an old, I think a 2016 Ellie Edwards kit I still had and have never used. I was looking something color-wise that complements it, and I found an old 2012 trade paper, the Storyteller collection paper pad, and picked the blue, and it goes really well with the colors in the kit, as you see soon. And because I don't buy, I have a shopping stop, and so I didn't buy anything new this year, and other than my Story by the Month kit, I don't get any scrapbooking supplies. And so I'm using my stash, and I'm really happy about this. So it's great to be able to use such an old paper, which is still absolutely beautiful. So I cut out the holes and just stick it to the paper. I'm using an 8x10 Becky Higgins page protector. And now I'm taking one of the 4x6 journal cards, and I'm sorry that this is a little bit out of frame. There'll be pictures at the end to get a closer look. Sadly, my camera wasn't cut something off at the bottom. So I just cut out some of the messy circles. I love Ellie's messy circles in any variety, just as these, and added them to the collage in the free spots. And love life. And then I'm adding a label to where I'm going to put letter stickers to say day in the life. And I'm looking at the Kelly Perky ones in gray, but I'm missing letters, and so I'm leaving that for a while. And the kit came with a timestamp. That's why I bought it a few years ago, and I love the stamp. I just never used the kit, but there's always a time, so I'm just going through the pictures on my phone and see. Well, hello, that's Masha, my cat, saying hi. And I just take black Memento ink and I'm just stamping the time on the pictures, or sometimes there's two pictures at the same time, and I'll just find spots and just add the time. And that's pretty much it. I could have left it this way, but then I heard Ellie, but you need to tell a story, which for me the pictures are basically the story. I find black alpha stickers, so I just add day in the life on the label. Again, I'm sorry about having this cut off. And then for embellishing, there's a chipboard sheet with circles, and that's what I'm going to add. I'm going to add a few circles here in a minute, and that was basically it on the first page, on the front page. And it didn't need much more. I mean, it's just a collage of pictures, adding the date, which was the 15th of March of this year. It's last Thursday. I can't believe how current I am. It's like not even a week. This is crazy this year. I need more projects. If you have an idea for projects, go ahead, because I'm like current on Project Life. I'm current on all these things, and I don't know what else to do. I don't have no clue. I do like mini albums, but I just I never look at them, so they aren't really worth it. So I was gonna use another sheet of the blue that I used in the background, but then I came across this ledger paper. It's the same thing. It's from the Storyteller collection, and this is perfect. So because I'm not the smartest cookie, I have to go and stamp all the times again, because clearly it would have made more sense to just do it in one swoop, but no, that did not happen. So I just stamp the times again, and I just write down what happened at that time. Um, I was traveling that day on business, and so that like I was in class most day teaching, so I didn't take all that many pictures. There's like an 8 hour break in there, and I just write down what happens, times and dates. So it's not a typical week, and generally I wouldn't have documented it that detailed. I would prefer to do day in life when I'm actually home or do regular work, but it works. So I have a lot of empty space, and I just pick one of the 4x6 cards, which is like a beautiful teal and goes well with the Love Live on the front. And then I cut out a few more of the messy circles and add a few more chipboard circles on the second page and on the front page. And that's it. And I'm done. Like I said, there's a quick overview, and it was super easy, super fast, and it goes straight into my project life and documented and done. Have a great day. I would love a like if you have the time, or if you're not a subscriber yet, I would love for you to subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.